Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use 9 great top features of Microsoft Edge, and this is going to be a very interesting tutorial. So let's get started. First you need to open your Microsoft Edge. If in any case you don't find this page, I would suggest you to go and download Microsoft Edge. This you can do, for example, if you are using Google Chrome, you can go to that, open the new tab and write Microsoft Edge, and then you can download it from there. Now we are going to start with the collection. That means the collection of websites. At the upper right corner, you are going to see a plus icon. What I can do is click on this plus icon. It is basically kind of bookmark, I would say. Here you can see various bookmark like wish list, video playlist and cookbook. You can add your website here, or else you can create the new collection. For example, let's create books and then click on save. Once you click on save, it will get added to it. And then the next thing which you can do, you might be thinking how to add your website on that. Go and open new tab and add a website. For example, let's open youtube.com. What you can do is, in which folder you want to add that, click on that. For example, let's add in book, and there will be an option of add current page. You need to click on this add current page, and once you click on that, you can see here that your YouTube website has been added in it. There will be 3 dot at the right corner which says you can remove it if you want to. You can copy, rename, add a note to the item, or you can open it in a new window, open in a private window as well. So this is how you can do that. Now the next software or application we are going to see, it's called as progressive application. Let's just write an website on a new tab. For example, if we want to add Upwork as a progressive application, what you need to do is click on the 3 dots that you can see on upper right corner, go to apps and click on install this site as an app. Once you click on that, a window will pop up asking you if you want to install it or not want to install it. Click on install it now. Once you click on install, another window will pop up and it will ask for you if you want to pin it to the taskbar, pin to start. So let's just uncheck it and add it to our desktop shortcut. Click on this create desktop shortcut and click on allow. So when you will go back to your desktop, here there you can see the Upwork folder here. As you can see here, the Upwork progressive app. When you will click on that, the Microsoft Edge will open directly the Upwork application, and this is how you can directly access it. So isn't it amazing? So this is how we can add any application as progressive application, any website. The next one I would suggest you is the split button. The next feature, by clicking on that, here you can see you can work on 2 windows together. At one you can see the YouTube has been opened. For the second one, let's write google.com and open google.com in it. So in the search bar, write google.com, and in this way you can access 2 sites together. You can work on 2 pages together. This is widely used for the one who is working in teaching purpose as well. It is good for them to, at one side they can open the whiteboard, and other they can add, for example, the PDF they want to make study on. So this is how you can do that. Isn't it super amazing? So the next one, we are going to call it as a screen capture. You again need to go to the 3 dots and click on screenshot. Here there will be an option of capture screen. You can drag this plus icon to the one you want to capture. Let's capture the Google, we say. Here you can copy this text which is in it. You can save it, you can manage it, your capture, and yes, it will get captured. The next interesting feature is immersive reader. So now we are going to any website, and there we will see a book kind of mark at the right side. For example, let's open a website and write top 10 cars and open this first website. Here at the upper right corner of the URL, you will see a book kind of sign. You need to click on that. So once you click on that, you will see there will be 3 options out there. Here you can see that the first one be read aloud, text preferences, reading preferences. So let's see what's in read aloud. So basically what it will just read out the words that is in the website for you. For example, it just did, and there is one more section that is view. Here you can click on voice option and you can manage your speed of the voice. You can either choose a voice, according to it we will choose anyone, and if you want to add more voices you can click on this learn how to add more voices. So this is all about voice option. We will go back and see the second option, that is text preference. Here you can adjust the text size. For example, let's increase this. The second one is text spacing. The third one will be font. You can change your font. For example, Calibri. Here we did. You can adjust the text column style here, and also you can change the page theme. For example, I have done it to dark. You can click on more themes and add according to your preferences, according to your likes. You can do that. Now we will go back again to the next thing, that is reading preferences. Here you can enable the line focus thing and you can change it. Here you can also translate to any language. For example, let's change to Bangla. Let's change this language to Bangla and just enable the translate entire page. So once you do that, here you can see that all the website content which was written there has been changed to this language. Let's do it again back to English, and then it's done. So the next thing what I like about is, once you're idle or is not working on Microsoft Edge for like 30 to 40 minutes, for example, let's say if you're working on Chrome browser and you are playing a game or watching a movie out there, so at the background your Microsoft Edge, it will get idle, so it won't disturb your activity. Isn't it pretty amazing? And also you can access it by clicking on the three dots, and you can go to the setting at the upper right corner, then click on settings. And in this settings, after clicking, you need to go to the system and performance, that is on the left corner, as you can see, last fifth option. Once you click on this setting and system and performance, there will be an option of optimize performance. Just scroll below. Here mine is already enabled, your might be disabled. You need to enable this, so it will optimize all the performance. Here there will be two options, balanced savings and maximum savings, and there will be some criteria when to use this kind of savings and when to use the maximum kind of savings. So you can do it according to your need. You can scroll below.
Best cars
and
of the
there
year.
are another
10
setting as
top
well
pick.
if you want to turn on the efficiency mode while you are connected to the power, so you can do that. So the next feature would be, again go to the three dots that you see on upper right corner, then go to the more tools. Once you go to more tools, here you will see an option of launch taskbar pinning wizard. You can launch a taskbar if you want to on that, and this is how you can do it. It will ask few things to you, just click on continue and do that. Again you need to go to the three dots and then again go to the more tools. After clicking on more tools, here you will see many features. You can also add your collections from here. You can share it, you can cast media to device it, you can read aloud it, launch taskbar, launch search bar. You can also name a window, browse taskbar. So here we need to click on browse taskbar, and here you can either end the process that is not working for you, so it will save the memory and RAM for you. You can click on this end process button here that you see in the blue color. Now the next thing, again go to the three and this time go to the settings. I would suggest you to make this browser by default for its to work more efficiently. In settings you will see an option of default browser, and you can click on this make default and make this browser default. It might be another browser that you are working on. Now the next thing, again go to more tools, and the important feature is cast media to device. For this, just make sure that you are connected to same device. For example, let's say you want to connect it to your TV. The internet connection should be stable and same. The next amazing feature we are going to talk about is its annotated PDF files. What does it mean? That Microsoft don't use another application to view your PDF. It have one by default. Here you can see we have opened a PDF for Python basics. What you can do here is you can also use to draw something. You can use this pencil. The next one you can do is add a text to it. You can edit this text by changing its color, size. You can also click on this delete button to delete the text from it. There is one eraser. You can see you can erase the one thing which you have drawn, and here there will be an option of highlight. You can highlight particular text if you want to do. At the right side you will see an option of save. You can save your PDF according to that. You can even print your PDF. This is how you can edit your PDF. This is by default provided by Microsoft Edge, and this feature is like pretty amazing. The next and last one will be the Copilot. It is the AI companion that provided by Microsoft Edge, and it can generate the page summary, suggest question about this page, and you can ask like anything or type anything on this search bar that you see. You can either refresh it, you can see the recent activities out there, and this is literally the amazing feature it provides to you. So you can use this feature, and if you want to learn more about it, you can Google about it. So this is all about how you can use Microsoft Edge and what are the top 9 top features of this browser. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.